What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be cleaning my whole kitchen area, dining room table area, and outside. So right now I am just kind of cleaning up our little coffee station area where it kind of is a catch-all place in our downstairs. So I'm just organizing the papers and bills and ones that I needed to pay. I just went ahead and threw in my purse. And then I got this new diffuser from a company called Sing, which I'm super excited about, and we'll talk more about it in a second. But look how big it is. It's 500 milliliters. So right now I'm going to go ahead and organize my little essential oil drawer. I keep like my waxes in there, some batteries, things like that. It's kind of just like my little spot to keep things. So I am going to take a couple of my favorite essential oils and I am going to be using them so I can start putting the aromatherapy of the diffuser and the oils into the home while I clean. So the nice thing about this diffuser is not only is it much bigger than the other diffusers that I have, which I absolutely love, it has this unique, awesome look to it, and then it actually has 7 different colors that cycle through, so that's super pretty, and you can turn it on high and low. So if you don't want too much aromatherapy oils, like if you don't want too much into the air, then you can just kind of put it on light, but I put it on high because it fills up our whole downstairs. And then also they have the option of having it turned on for 1, 3, or 6 hours. So my other diffusers, they don't do that. They just do 1 to 3 hours. So I was really happy with this, and it's actually been on every single day. They also gave you guys a discount code that I will include down below in the description box. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and start with cleaning the dishes. It has been super busy, so I obviously let the dishes build up a little bit, and we are going to go ahead and clean those. So what I am trying to do is go ahead and hand wash as much dishes as possible, just because these are dishes that I use every day and I knew I was going to need them later that day to cook. So I did switch to using the Cascade dishwashing soap right now because the pods that I was using, they started leaving like a residue on all of our glasses. It got really crazy, but for some reason our dishwasher, it ended up building up and staining our dishes, so it just turned out bad. I had my father-in-law over here trying to help me figure it out, trying to clean it. We used vinegar, we did everything. So basically I just decided that I was going to go back to liquid, use that for a while, filter out that residue that got built up into the dishwasher, and now we're just using that for now until, I don't know, until further notice. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the cupboards. I like to just kind of wash around the handles and places that we, grab and touch and everything like that. And if you see me go back to the sink a lot, that is because there's hot soapy water in there that I'm trying to utilize along with like my multi-surface cleaner and all that, but it just kind of heats up the rag and then makes it a little bit easier to clean off food, off the counters and things like that. So right now, cleaning under the microwave is like super gross because we've been cooking like burgers and all kinds of things, and the grease just kind of builds up under there. So you want to make sure you're always getting under there and cleaning it, and so you don't have like any smell or any problems like that. So that was what I was doing. A lot of times when I'm cooking, the grease will splatter on our jars there, so I'm always just trying to wipe them down. Oh, and someone did ask me, and I don't know if I answered, but I don't keep anything in those jars, actually. So I haven't found anything that I want to keep in there right now, but they just are so pretty and I just love them there. So right now I'm just doing a quick microwave clean. I'm not gonna steam up with, usually I use like a cup of water with some lemon and then just like steam it, but it was clean. There was just a little bit of food in there, not too much. So I didn't go through that trouble of waiting for 5 minutes and steaming it up. So I just went ahead, did a quick wipe, and cleaned off the microwave plate. This trash can is from Simple Human. I do have a link for it in my Amazon store, which is always in my description box. I have a lot of these products in my Amazon store, so make sure you check that out if you're interested in any of them. And then I got the rose gold color, if you're wondering. So that bag has all of my dirty towels for the day in there. So right now I'm just gathering all the recycle because it kind of just hangs out here until Isaiah gets home from school and he takes it to the recycle. So since we had so many boxes that day, we had like packages coming in, things like that, I went ahead and just created a pile by the front door. This is his daily chore, so it always gets taken out at 3. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the stainless steel on the refrigerator and then also the multi-surface cleaner right where we get our water because there's a lot of water stains and buildup, so I just want to make sure that I can clean that up good. So now we're going to go back to the coffee station and just kind of clean this area. I am using the stainless steel on our tea kettle and then going ahead and cleaning the key rig area there. Just kind of doing a quick wipe down from the coffee stains from the morning.
I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that
And I just want to let you know that the diffuser smells amazing. I always use like a lavender or an orange, just kind of different scents like that, and they just make the house happy and clean. Like when you walk into the door, everybody was saying something because it just smells so clean in there.
Me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this.
So right now I'm just going to go ahead and put away the dishes and give you guys a little dance show because the music was blasting and I was having a good time. Music makes you happy. So someone actually just messaged me on Instagram and was like, something about enjoying life is dancing in the kitchen. And I was like, I'm always dancing in the kitchen. And voila, that is the clean kitchen. So this area is done, and now we're going to move on to other areas of the house. So now we're just going to go ahead and clean off my table and then put up my husband's motorcycle jacket because he is not going to need it. It is over 100 every day now here in Arizona, so it's just, he's not going to need it when he rides. So I am using the Method wood cleaner, and we're just going to go ahead and clean the kitchen real quick. And my kids are fighting in the background, so excuse the noise that you guys might hear. So what I like to do is go ahead and wipe down the chairs because there's always like little finger food stains, and then just kind of wiping down the seats, the cushion, because of the crumbs and things like that.
I wanna get moving, grooving, your folks disapproving. We can have fun, yeah. Don't need no money, and we can be brilliant without millions.
So now we're going to go ahead and go outside because it is a mess. This is the desert, so our backyard gets so dirty, and we have a dog now, so it gets extremely dusty, dirty, and everything.
And we can be brilliant without millions.
Next, we are just going to sweep and mop the whole downstairs. This is like a must now. Like almost every day I have to do this. I have to keep up with it because Remy goes in and outside and he tramples like all the dirt and everything in the house, and it's just so messy. And there was a time that I had to stop the video and leave and go get Ava from preschool and then come back. So that's why she's now in the video, because that video was going, I was filming for so long and cleaning for so long that it was time for me to pick her up. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed my video. That is all I have for you today. I've been cleaning for hours. And don't forget to check out Vic Sing and their diffusers. They're really, really awesome. I love mine. And I will have that discount code down below for you guys. Also, go ahead and say hi in the comments so I know that you guys were here. And I will see you guys in my next video. I have a couple of great videos coming out this week. So I will see you guys very soon. I love you, and bye.